So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will write a program to print triangle pattern in Python. So this is the pattern which we have to print. This is very beautiful pattern or this is very easy to print in Python. So let's see how to print this pattern. So if you have not accessed this playlist, I want you all to access this playlist and start watching from the scratch to the advanced level. So first, I will declare a variable named rows equals to 5 as we have 5 rows in pattern. And then I will start a for loop. But before that, I have commented here loop from 1 to rows. So then for I in range starting from 1 and goes till rows plus 1. So this loop will start from 1 and goes till 5. And then we have to print star into I. So that's it. So this will print this pattern in Python. So here you can see. But the important thing is that here we have to take a space. So which is very important to print this pattern as after every star we have spaces. So if we have not taken these stars, this will print the another pattern. So here you can see. So taking these star is very important. This will ensure that your pattern gets printed correctly in Python. So if you are writing this on notebook, please ensure to give some space after writing this star. So this is how this pattern is printing. So let's explain it again how this is working. So first, I will be equals to 1 for the first iteration. So this will start equal into 1 and then will print 1 star. And then for the second iteration, I will become 2 and then will print 2 stars. And this will goes on till 5. So this is how it is working. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also check the playlist of these star patterns in Python from the description. Thanks for watching.